A video doorbell can give you the security and convenience you've been looking for. We've installed dozens from multiple brands in our tests and have run into some head scratchers while following the manufacturer's instructions. So here's a general guide to help prepare you for the installation based on the lessons we've learned. If you haven't purchased a video doorbell yet and want to know which one to get for your home, check out our buying guide and exclusive ratings at cr.org/video doorbells. Now, on to installing a hardwired video doorbell, the kind that has two wires that connect to the electricity inside your home. If you have a battery-powered model, skip ahead to the battery-powered section in this video at around the 3-minute and 55-second mark. Now let's begin installing a hardwired video doorbell. Start by downloading the mobile app that connects your phone to the video doorbell. Most have installation guides and visuals that will help you through the process. We installed a Nest Hello video doorbell for this demonstration and found their installation guide to be very helpful. However, we found other models' instructions from different manufacturers were not as clear. It really depends on which video doorbell you buy. Next, shut off the circuit breaker that powers your doorbell. This is important because it's the only way to safely handle the electrical wiring. If you are at all uncomfortable working with electricity or wiring, consider hiring a professional to install your doorbell for you. Next, inspect your doorbell's transformer, which is usually found near an electrical panel or inside a utility closet. Inspecting this will make sure it provides enough power to your video doorbell so the camera can continuously record video. Next, inspect and, if necessary, rewire your doorbell chime. We found this part to be the trickiest, but take a deep breath. By combining our video with your manufacturer's instructions, you should be able to get through it just fine. Remove the cover and look inside to see if it's a mechanical or digital chime. Mechanical chimes have a small hammer that hits a metal bar whenever someone presses the doorbell. Digital chimes are essentially small speakers that play a tune. If you have a digital chime, you may need to install a special adapter on the wires that connect to the doorbell. For our install of the Nest Hello video doorbell with the mechanical chime, we had to install this chime connector which came in the box. It allows your existing wires to deliver constant power to the device. Check the manufacturer's instructions to see what's required for your model. Now it's time to remove your existing doorbell. Unscrew it from the exterior of your house and disconnect the wires from the two terminals on the back of the doorbell. Next, let's mount your new video doorbell. Drill pilot holes in the wood or holes for anchors if you have brick or stone. Position the mounting bracket so that the wires come through and attach it to the surface. With the bracket in place, connect the wires to the two terminals, then attach the doorbell to the bracket. Screw in any security screws. Depending on the placement of your doorbell, you might want to install a wedge, which should come in the box. The wedge will angle your doorbell's camera so you'll get a better view, rather than the camera staring straight into a wall. Now your video doorbell should be installed and ready to use. Turn the power back onto the doorbell, make sure it rings properly, and then open up the mobile app to connect the doorbell to your home's Wi-Fi. At this point, you might be prompted to sign up for a cloud-based video storage service. Check out our buying guide for more on how these work. Hello, battery-powered friends. Here's how to install your spanking new video doorbell. Make sure the battery is fully charged before you get started. Next, attach the doorbell mounting bracket to the exterior of your home. You may need to use specialized anchors and drill bits if your wall is made of brick, stone, or concrete. Then, attach the doorbell to the mounting bracket. Insert the security screws that go into the bottom of the doorbell. These prevent someone from stealing the device. Set up the doorbell app on your smartphone and connect the doorbell to your home's Wi-Fi. Plug in and set up the doorbell chime. Connect the chime to your Wi-Fi and pair it with your doorbell. And that's it. You just set up a battery-powered video doorbell. And remember, with any video doorbell, we strongly recommend setting up two-factor authentication to help protect your account from being hacked. For more information and a full list of our video doorbell ratings, go to cr.org/video doorbells.